Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this glittery half cut crease. I'm going to show you two ways on how I use glitters. I don't know if you can see, the glitters are different on each eye, and if you're curious to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. I really hope you can't hear the rain outside. There's nothing I can do about it. The window is closed, but it's raining so hard. Since I'm going to use glitter, I am going to do my eyes first. I'm going to prime my eyelids first using a little bit of concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm in the shade C6. And I'm taking a little bit of that on my brush. I'm using a flat concealer brush for this. And I will start by cleaning up the underneath of my brow. And concealing my eyelids. I'm gonna start with the matte shades, and I'm going to use the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to pick up this cool toned grayish brown something. I'm going to pick it up with the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to stamp this in my outer corner to lay down the initial pigment. And then with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to start blending towards my crease. Picking up some more of that shade, dusting off the excess, and doing the same thing, basically just to build it up a little bit. Then I'm taking another Morphe M506, a clean one, and I'm taking the shade Kana to help blend this dark shade into my crease. So I'm going to place Kana above the previous shade and just blend. And I'm going to use it to extend the shadow a little bit in my outer corner. With that previous brush, I'm taking a dark shade again, just to intensify what I lost by blending. On this side, I'm going to apply the pressed glitter, the Gold shade from Juvia's Place Wahala 2 palette. But first I'm going to cut the crease using a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution again, with the same brush, and I'm just going to stamp this concealer a little bit above my natural crease. You gotta be patient with this step. I feel like the easiest way is to keep your eyes open and look ahead, and do your cut crease a little bit above where your eye naturally folds, so you'll be able to see the cut crease when you have your eyes open. And then you just gotta be patient to create a very sharp line. Then I'm taking the silver glitter on a flat brush like this. This is one of the few pressed glitters I've tried that doesn't require you to use a glitter base. Most glitters, even if they're pressed, they don't really stick to your eye unless you apply a glitter base. And I'm fading it into the matte shade. I feel like this looks such like the first days of Instagram trendy makeup. I'm taking this dark gray shade again. I'm stamping it, not really dragging the glitter around because it's gonna fall on my face if I do that. I didn't do my face makeup yet, but still. And as you can see, the glitter is placed kind of in an angled shape. I feel like this kind of lifts the outer corner and extends the eye a little bit. On this other eye, I'm going to demonstrate to you the same thing but with loose glitters. I am going to need a glitter base. I'm using this one by NYX, adding just a little bit of that on my lid, and I'm spreading it on my entire lid with a flat brush. Then with the same brush, because it has that slight stickiness to it, it's going to help me pick up the glitter. This looks a little bit more spectacular than the Juvia's Place one. Because it's duochromatic, you can see the shifts in the colors. And by the way, this is the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the shade Crystal. And then doing the same thing like I did on my other eye, picking up the dark shade to intensify the outer corner and blend it with the glitter. And then reapplying the transition to blend. I'm going to do my face off camera and then I'll be right back to finish the eye look. I feel like this eye look is so 2016 looking, so I decided to do my face in the same style. I did some really blinding highlighter and I have full coverage foundation on my face. I'm going to finish the lower lash line. First I am going to apply a black pencil on the waterline. This is the Sephora Collection 12-hour contour. And I am going to apply it under my lash line as well. And I'm going to need a slightly smaller brush. This is a Morphe M149 and I'm going to pick up this shade that I used on my upper lid. Starting from the other corner and moving my way towards my inner corner. I'm taking a little bit more of the Kana shade on the same brush that I used to apply it on the upper lid. And I'm just blending the shade. I will highlight my inner corner and my brow bone using the shade Fame from the Wahala 2 palette. And I'm just stamping the shade in my inner corner and underneath the arch of my brow. To finish off the look, I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes off camera. Okay, lashes are on. I'm going to do nude lips as usual, and I want to try out this pencil from Trendy Up Contour and Glide Lip Liner. It's just a nude pencil. I'm overlining my lips in the center as usual. In the center of my lips I'm applying some Sephora Collection lipstick. It's from the nude range in the shade SN02. And I want to finish it off with the gloss. This is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look gloss. It has some tiny sparkles in it. And this is the finished look. I really hope you like how it came out. It might be a little bit old-fashioned, but it's kind of cool, in my opinion. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. That's it. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video and I hope I see you in my next one. Bye!